boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 18th, 2023, almost weekend. We have already solved two puzzles, one with 0 stars. Well, it turns out this one has it's a 3 stars puzzle, and we have a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left: the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. But you are interested in this one, yes, that binary puzzle number 6946. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. 17. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are ones. And between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. And between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Thank you again, and yeah, see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.